So first you put the peanut butter, then you put the mayonnaise. Like my friend in Nashville said, mayonnaise, a lot of people in here. All right, so I use Skippy natural peanut butter, and I got Mount Olive bread and butter chips and some ketchup. So what I'm making is, my dog is hungry. She wants some too. So I got some ketchup. Yep. Oh, y'all. Put some ketchup with your peanut butter. I saw on a posting of my friend, my junior high school friend. He's in Japan. It's Gary Kirkpatrick. Someone posted something and said, "What don't you put on your burger?" And he put peanut butter, and I was like, "Oh, that's wrong. You do put peanut butter on your bacon." So, okay, so like I'm gonna have this one. I didn't cook this tonight, so it's draining the fat. Oh yeah, just a second. I'm not very good at this videotaping stuff. All right, so I'm going with the burger with the ketchup and the peanut butter, because you know I'm Canadian, so I like peanut butter, and I like ketchup on just about everything. Okay, tomatoes. Now, if you're like me, I like a little salt and pepper on my tomatoes. I like Tabitha on Instagram. She said, "I'm gonna do it because that's my business." I might just say, "I'm gonna do it and that's none of your business." All right, so tomatoes. Oh, it's okay. You're gonna get yours. All right, I'm gonna put some lettuce because that looks nice and fresh. Oh, well, you know what? Maybe I'll put the lettuce here. And I'm gonna take this nice piece of bacon. I'm gonna break up that bacon right now. Oh, puppy wants some food. I already fed her. I fed her already. So okay, I'm gonna get you some nice bacon. Ha ha ha. Yeah, I'm just gonna I don't really eat that much. I think that's good. That's a good bit of bacon. Bacon, you'd be like, bacon. Okay, now. Yeah. I know y'all just want to see my dog, but okay. So now I'm just gonna put the pickles on. Right. Peanut butter, bacon, pickle burger. Right? There you go. Oh, runaway pickle. See, the thing about sweet pickles, I never figured out why they call them bread and butter. But my mom used to make them in Pemberton. We'd go up the valley and we'd pick the cucumbers. And there you go. Okay, one more. You know, like this burger needs, you know what it needs? It needs a little sauce in it. So maybe if I just did like this, took my ladle. Oh, is it gonna fit? No, it's too big. Bummer. All right, need a spoon. Go to the spoon drawer. Now, this could be the magic. Pickle juice. Oh my God. Well, I put the pickle juice on it. Okay. All right. Okay. I got the lettuce all set up. And there is my peanut butter, bacon, pickle burger. No. Okay, I didn't invent this, guys. I actually stole this. Stole it? Nah, I didn't steal this recipe. I just had this recipe. I don't want to show you my sink because it's filled with dishes because I've been working. Working, you say? What have you been doing today? I've been making music in my studio. I've been taking care of my clients. All right, now, okay, I know you want to see me bite this burger, right? All right, so I have to set up my camera, just in case you're wondering. This is the wall. So you got the wall right now. While I turn it around. How do you turn this thing around? Oh no, how do I turn it around? Well, I guess I just have to do this. And turn it around and hope that I actually get my face. All right, so this is, wait, that's not good. Like I said, I'm terrible at this. Okay, so here we go. Now I'm gonna bite this. The only part of this that's keto, of course, is all the, well, I guess like the meat and the bacon, mayonnaise. But I'm not worried about that right now because all I want is to taste that wonderful peanut butter sauce that got all made up by putting in all those bits and pieces I did. Okay, so here we go. Peanut butter bacon pickle burger. You can get it at Killer Burger here in Portland, Oregon. And everyone else in my family, they think it's really gross, but I actually like it. All right. Yeah, and my dog too. Okay, so here we go. Ready? Here I go. I'm gonna take a bite. You're gonna see the look on my face, like how good. Now, I'm gonna make the sound that my kids hate. I don't know why they hate it. One bite is nice Angus burger, just enough peanut butter, and the sweet of the pickles. And if you really like the sweet pickles, like me, it's like going to the Jewish deli and having like a whole bowl of pickles. So you gotta put some sweet pickles here, so I try and chase it down with the bread and butter pickle. I have to make my own. I'll tell you about that some other time. Well, I'm just gonna call this kind of video cooking in Suzanne's country because that's my country. Wherever I am. Suzanne's country. My music, my life, my dog. All right, try it. You'll like it. Bye.